Yeah, my honey come back. Sometime I'm on a rat back jack. Sometime I get a hump in my back. Sometime I'm going over here. Sometime.
Hello, I'm going to show you how to prepare a typical Catalan dish, bacallà amb samfaina. That is, salt cod with pepper, aubergine and tomato sauce. The main ingredient is cod fish preserved in salt. The bigger the pieces, the better. First of all, we will need to desalt the cod. To do this, we need to soak the salt cod in water for 48 hours, changing the water twice. For 4 people, we will need 8 pieces of salt cod, taking into account that when salt cod is soaked, it becomes bigger. We place the cod into a bowl and pour in enough cold water to cover the fish. "12 hours later, we need to change the water. Today is Friday morning and I will change the water again on Saturday morning to cook the fish on Saturday evening. We drain the cod from the soaking water and we cover the fish with fresh water. To do the sauce, called samfaina, we will need 2 onions, several cloves of garlic, 3 peppers, for example 1 green and 2 red peppers, an aubergine, and half a kilo of chopped peeled tomatoes. If you have nice fresh red tomatoes, it would be better, otherwise we can use 2 cans of chopped tomatoes. To spice it, we will use sweet smoked Spanish paprika, and for extra flavor, we can add some saffron. We will also need salt and olive oil. The first thing we need to do is to cut the aubergine in small dices, add salt and leave it in a colander for half an hour and allow for the liquid to drain out of the aubergine. This helps reducing the bitter flavor of some aubergines. After the salt cod has soaked for 48 hours in several changes of cold water, it is desalted and ready to cook. So we will drain the cod from the soaking water and dry it a bit with kitchen paper. We have already dried the cod with kitchen paper and we can now dip the fish pieces in flour and fry them in very hot oil. The fish is fried and we can now do the samfaina. Heat 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a frying pan and add the chopped onions and fry them gently. 1 or 2 minutes later, add the chopped peppers and continue stir-frying gently. Two minutes later, drain the aubergine dices and add them into the frying pan. 1 minute later, add the small chopped garlic and stir. Five minutes later approximately, add 1 spoon of sweet smoked Spanish paprika, stir fry, and add the tomato. and continue stir frying. After stir frying the sauce for 5 or 10 more minutes, we will add some saffron. By the way, this sauce called samfaina, very used in Catalan cuisine. It is also suitable to accompany chicken or pork. We can now add the pieces of cod, covering them with the sauce. We have to be careful not to break the pieces of cod. We have now all the pieces of fish in the sauce. Cover the frying pan with the lid and simmer over a low flame for 5 minutes, stirring from time to time to make sure that the sauce doesn't get stuck to the frying pan. We can now turn the pieces of fish, being very careful not to break them. Make sure that nothing is stuck and let simmer for 5 more minutes. After 10 minutes of boiling in the sauce, the fish is ready. We can now serve. It is now ready to eat. Enjoy!
Yeah, my honey come back. Sometime I'm on a rat back jack. Sometime I get a hump in my back.